Very good morning, children. Welcome to the psychology classroom. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and everybody is fine at home also. And I just hope you are revising the topic. You can see the date. I hope date is clear to you. 3rd of January 2022. Class 12C, subject psychology. We are doing the revision and we are studying the chapter psychological disorder. Psychological disorder. I think all the details are properly visible to you all and everything is very clear. So let's study. So children, revision. In terms of revision, I obviously always start with the previous one. So in the last video, I had discussed with you the behavioral and the developmental disorder. What are the behavioral and developmental disorder which is found among the children? Where I had discussed with you about ADHD, about autism. I had discussed with you ADHD, autism. Okay, the two things I had discussed with you, ADHD, autism, then mental retardation and eating disorder. Some of the things are left in that video which I am going to continue in this video. So let's discuss about the mental retardation again. Mental retardation means intellectual deficiency whose IQ is below 70. It was also defined by AMD that the person who is having sub-average intellectual functioning and deficit in adaptive behavior and manifested during developmental period. So it is known as mental retardation. So the definition of the mental retardation we had discussed about. Now the levels I had told in the last video that we have not discussed. And I told you also, if you have remember, that there are some areas of functioning where we understood about this mild, moderate, severe and profound. So here you can make a chart. Areas of functioning. Areas of functioning. So what are the areas of functioning? The first is self-help skills. The first is self-help skill. Second is, the first is self-help skill. Second is education. Third is occupation. Fourth is responsibility. Family responsibility. So we are going to understand this mental retardation in these 4 areas. Self-help skill, education, occupation, family responsibility. Family responsibility, occupation, education, self-help skill. Okay? Now it is mind, and here I am going to discuss with you the range also. What are the ranges of the mind? Then moderate, then severe, then profound. Mild, moderate, severe, profound. Now let's discuss about the ranges. What is the range of mild? Obviously mild की बात हो रही है, mental retardation mild है 70 से नीचे, तो it goes into 70 to 55. The moderate goes from 55 to, what is there? 55 to 45. Severe goes to 35. And here you will write down 35. 35 to 25. And profound is below 25. So this is the range also which I have discussed with you, the range mild, moderate, severe, profound. ठीक है? Now what is under the self-help skill? The mild people are able to do, okay, they are able to do self-care. ठीक है? Able to do self-care. सेल्फ केयर कर सकते हैं वे लोग, एबल टू डू सेल्फ केयर. ओके. मॉडरेट कैन डू बट विद ट्रेनिंग. Can do but with training. Severe not able to do, नहीं कर पाएंगे. And profound तो एकदम ही नहीं, completely dependent on other. Completely dependent on others. Not able to do anything, not able to do anything, completely dependent on others, can do but with training. Now about the education. Understood about the self-help skill and self-care? I hope it is very much clear to you all. एजुकेशन जो माइल्ड है, एबल टू go to school, able to go to school but require attention, इनको आपको अटेंशन देना पड़ेगा, but require attention। अब जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल मॉडरेट जो है, नॉट एबल टू गो टू स्कूल, not able to go to school but can learn at home, under training, able to go to school but require attention प्रॉपरली सब उनको अटेंशन दे, जरूरी है। नॉट एबल टू गो टू स्कूल बट कैन लर्न एट होम अंडर ट्रेनिंग, ठीक है, बट कैन लर्न एट होम अंडर ट्रेनिंग कर सकते हैं। सीवियर जो होते हैं 35 to 25, ये आर नॉट एबल टू लर्न अच्छे से एजुकेशन या प्रॉपर एजुकेशन आप कह सकते हैं नहीं कर पाएंगे। जैसे प्रॉपर एजुकेशन तो माइल्ड ही नहीं कर पाएगा, यू कांट expect from them those child who suffering from mild mental retardation, although their mental retardation level is mild, but still आप उनसे expect नहीं कर सकते they have a higher degree, no, it is possible that they will be able to do their schooling, okay, they will be able to do well in their schooling, okay, they will be able to complete their schooling, but possibility of going into the college and pursuing the higher degree is not at all predictable. Moderate, it's not compulsory with them that they are able to complete the schooling also. They will be very slow learner, they require very much attention of the teachers and other guardians who look after them, ठीक है, so they are completely, I can say that not able to go to school but they are able to learn at home, घर पे with a tuition teacher and with some training उन्हें learn कराया जा सकता है। सीवियर also ये हो सकता है कि थोड़ा बहुत तो ज़्यादा नहीं, not able to learn but some basics can be understood, some basics can be learned under training के अंदर और सुपरविजन के अंडर सुपरविजन अंडर ट्रेनिंग इट कैन बी हैपन कि वो लर्न कर जाए, ओके। बिलो 25 नॉट एबल टू हैव एन एजुकेशन, नो एजुकेशन। द प्रोफाउंड पीपल, ये जो कैटेगरी होती है बहुत ज़्यादा सीवियर से भी लो लेवल है, यानी IQ लेवल जो है वो बिलो 25 है। So basically unable to survive of anything. So the two areas I have discussed with you, the self-care area and education area. Okay. Please note down whatever the things I had written on the board and I am dictating it also. Maybe it's not very clear to you all. आप बोल सकते हो मैम बहुत clear नहीं, but I dictate it also. Again I can dictate it for you all. Here I had written able to do self-care, can do but with training, not able to do anything, completely dependent on others. Able to go to school but require lot of attention, in a proper manner. Not able to go to school but can learn at home under training. Not able to learn but some basic can be learned under training. no education, not able to learn. ओके, नहीं सीख पाते हैं कुछ भी, not able to learn. Okay, I hope whatever the things I had written on the board, it is very clear to you all. Okay, now we can discuss about the third area, occupation and family responsibility. For that I have to erase this one. Now we are going to discuss about the occupation. Here I am writing out about the occupation. Okay. Now when I am talking about the occupation means holding any kind of job or any kind of career. Okay. So what can be the possibility you are finding? What can be the possibility? For example, in the mild, those child who is suffering from mild MR, ठीक है, mild MR, mental retardation. So occupation में can hold a job, but requires support. जॉब ये कर सकते हैं बट इन्हें सपोर्ट चाहिए होगा. Moderate, not able to do any job, but can do some work from home. घर में from home they can do some little works, maybe not able to join any organization and do some big responsibility, but with these things they are able to do some work, can hold a job but require support, not able to do any job but can do some work from home. Severe, dependent on others, and profound also, completely dependent on others. Completely dependent on others. Okay, write down this point. Okay, I hope it is clear. Occupation. Shall we move forward? So you understand about like occupation की बात हो रही है, job, doing somewhere in an organization and can and do something for them. So it's all about it. So जो mild people है, they can hold a job but require support. Not able to do any job but can do some work from home, dependent on others, completely dependent on others. Okay, let's move toward to the next criteria. Now I am going to discuss with you about the family responsibility. I am not going to discuss about occupation now. I am going to discuss about family responsibility. The next one. Family responsibility. Now, what is the condition of the family responsibility with the mild people? What is the family responsibility of the mild person? Mild person की जो family responsibility है, okay, family responsibility I am talking about. Mild people family responsibility. So they can hold, they are able to have their family. ठीक है, माइल्ड जो होते हैं एक बार फैमिली कर सकते हैं वो अपनी, दे आर एबल टू हैव देयर फैमिली. ठीक है, दे होल्ड द फैमिली एंड बेयर द फैमिली एंड नर्चर देयर फैमिली. मॉडरेट not able to have their family, not able to have family and parent responsibility and parental, not able to have family and parental responsibility. Not able to have family and parental responsibility, they are able to have their family. Severe and parental responsibility. Severe, profound. Not able to have family and parental responsibility. Okay, severe भी not able to bear the family, ये भी family bear नहीं कर सकते, not able to have family. And same like before. Given information. सेम लाइक बिफोर गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन. जो इन्फॉर्मेशन पहले दी गई है उसी तरह सेम कंडीशन, जो इन्फॉर्मेशन पहले दी गई है उसी तरह सेम कंडीशन परफॉर्म में भी होता है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज अ चार्ट about the mental retardation, and today in this video I had discussed with you the levels and what are the specific area where these kind of things are representable. I hope you understand it. If you still find any doubt or anywhere, you will discuss with me in the classroom, children. Okay, I must say thank you so much for carefully observing and listening to this video. Thank you.